وين يا معلمين؟ الله يسعد هالصباح حبايب قلبي احلى ابو داوود.
شلون الفوتوغراف بالاقصى الفوتوغراف؟
That smells good.
It does.
That's good shawarma.
Okay.
أنا أول شيء كنت أفكر في الوسط الإسكالات.
Good morning, how are you?
Very good.
We have a minced shawarma shop. We do have nice stuff on the price.
Wow. Pretty cool.
كل الزيارة بتاعها.
Wow. Look at that. That is cool.
امشي على ماشي لعند الشيل على 30
These are grape leaves. Now it's the season.
Okay.
We buy them and we roll them and we make cook them in big pot. This is white cucumber. This is cherries, green cherries. And the next to it, this is chickpeas. See the fruit market. This guy makes sandwich minced meat kebab. This one makes, you know, the spleen, mandil, minced meat, and he chops it off, put it on a sauce, and he puts it in a sandwich.
Okay.
This is what I'm about to have.
Okay. Well, I'll have that.
You want to have one?
Want to split it?
Yeah, that
one.
does not sound like my cup of tea.
Okay. You know, on second thought, maybe can I just have a bite of yours?
I'll give
I just
you a
want to
piece.
taste it. I just want to taste it.
You can, if you want shawarma, you can have downstairs the shawarma.
Yeah.
اسمع شوف هذا. Let me go see what this guy. Let me see.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, it doesn't look too appetizing. I'd rather have a shawarma.
Sounded horrible.
We just took a stroll around a little bit.
Did you want a kebab sandwich?
Well, the shawarma?
We'll go in a minute. We just need to.
What is
devour
this one now?
The spleen. Try.
Let me try it.
It's spleen.
Not bad. Wouldn't be my first choice, but not bad.
Yeah.
The corn looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
A turkey or a goose? Is it turkey?
What is the other? Welcome.
Thank you.
Banana.
Don't come up to here.
Yes.
This is local.
Yes.
People going to the market, local
Yeah.
ladies, local sandwich, local
Yeah.
people.
Yeah, definitely.
That's what we love that.
That's what we love.
What kind of fat do they have on top?
This has to be lamb fat.
Oh, okay.
Nothing else. It's the king of fat. These are yours. Go eat.
Okay.
I'll pay and I'll come.
Okay. Sounds good.
To have.
Pretty good. We've been looking for a shawarma, so the whole time we were in Egypt, we didn't get a single shawarma, did we?
No.
How is it? Pretty tasty, isn't it? How about that? That right there is good.
Yes.
That's fine.
I told him four, one for each.
Oh, I didn't think you wanted one.
Well, I changed my mind.
Okay.
I was looking, should I or shouldn't? These are for you, and we just two more.
Yeah, just get a couple.
You get four.
Yeah, just get a bunch more of them.
That's perfect. There you go.
And then these. Ah, thank you. Oh, thank you. Ooh, it's nice and it's almost like a rum cake.
Oh my God. It's really, I think the guy is a legend. It's really, it's very difficult to do. كثير صعب تعملها الهريسة.
What's it called again?
Harisa. With semolina, sugar, baked, you know, they mix it with few stuff. Make it. انت كل يوم بتصفون يوم يومهم.
That is good.